Welcome back to Rocket Don't Stock It, and today we're going to look at the preschool off-white Air Max 90. So yeah, this is one of those random pickups that you don't expect to happen, but it sort of did. So I've got the preschool Air Max 90 off-white in Desert Ore colour. I entered both raffles for this pair and the black pair for my friend Liam. I'm pretty surprised I've had this sort of run on the sneakers app. I've had a good couple consecutive wins recently. So the past two I've sort of scored whatever I wanted. But yeah, I wasn't expecting these at all, to be fair. The numbers were really low as far as I'm aware. As far as details go, they hit the mark and pretty much match the adult pair like for like, apart from two small differences. So the suede and the TPU areas and the gridding and mesh are all similar. The only couple differences are you don't get the cutaway foam exposure around the heel lining or at the top of the tongue. You also don't get a proper zip tie. You get this sewn-on zip tie in the same baby blue, but the text is the same on there as well. It says off-white CO Nike. So yeah, you get the zip tie but sewn on rather than a plastic zip tie, which I can see being a smart change for the children's market. And then on the swoosh, on the adult pair, you get a more plasticky, ribbed, textured swoosh in that fluorescent colour. On these ones, you get more of a gridded mesh, hard-wearing swoosh on there, which is a nice difference. But yeah, apart from that, everything else is exactly the same. You even get a spare set of laces, so if you do want to do that swap and match your little one, you can do. The Nike box is possibly one of the cutest things I've ever seen in my life. This is just a tiny off-white Air Max 90 box. So you get the same details there, and in inside exact same packing, which is cool. So you even get text on the medial side as you do on the adult pair. You get a tiny little airbag as well, which is nice. I'm sure I don't have to explain why I can't do an on-foot video of these, but yeah, I won't be able to do an on-foot video or take any on-foot shots, obviously. Apart from that, I think that's everything to cover this pair of shoes. I hope you enjoyed the detailed shots of these. Sizing wise, I can't give much advice in terms of sizing. I thought I'd just give you guys a little look at these if you are intending on buying them. Retail price for these was £50, so $49.99 I think it was. I don't know the pricing for children's sneakers or trainers, so I don't know if that's a fair price or not, but I think this pair is a wicked collector's item, and if you do want to match the kids, it would be something you want to pick up. If you like this sort of content, give me a like and a comment. Give me a follow on Instagram at Rocket Don't Stock It. Unfortunately, I won't have any on-foot shots of these on there, but I will have on-foot shots of some other pairs that you may like to see. And on that note, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.